The sound
How is the sound pronounced?
It is pronounced
Can you say
Very good. The sound has many different spellings. These include R, RH, and WR. Now let's take a look at some examples of these different spellings. Ache,
rake,
rye,
rhinoceros,
rhinoceros, ite,
right, eed,
reed, app.
rap. The sound is voiced, meaning your vocal cords vibrate when producing the sound. Your tongue stays in the lower middle part of your mouth when pronouncing the sound Arrow 1 points to the vocal cords, and arrow 2 points to the tongue. This sentence contains many examples of the common English sound
To study for the rhinoceros test, I had to read and write a lot.
Quick recap time.
The sound has many different spellings and appears in many words.
It is pronounced and is a very common sound in the English language.
Words like rake, rhinoceros, write, read, and rap all include the sound